What is up everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're continuing our daily video technical analysis presentation and details of the market related to Cardano. This is going to be on 3rd of January and we're looking for seeing some bright market movements as the market cap has surpassed the $800 billion with some great attitude towards the space. Yet Cardano is finding some difficulties just like the altcoins of short term, which do not deny the possibilities for the upcoming weeks to clearly see the space around 40 to 50 cents in terms of price of Cardano. So let's get into the details and talk to you around the charts. Not before, I'll let you know that for those of you which are interested in education and think that they could improve their trading skills along with becoming professional traders, if that's the case, well, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com. This is my one-on-one coaching directly with me live, where I'll take you by hand and make you a professional trader. At the same time, for those of you which are not interested in trading for themselves, we have a trading possibility based on commission to connect ourselves with API, and you can basically have the same trades that I do for myself completed for you as well, based on commission of the pure profits. No upfront fees at all are being charged. All the details can be found on the pages. Links are in the description area or comments area of this video. Let's get back to Cardano, folks, and this is where we are. So within the past, I would say 3 days, we've been able to establish an uptrending channel. The uptrending channel has short-term characteristics, which means that it has the ability to create this swing highs, this type of a wave swing highs. Now this wave swing highs, which I'm encircling right now, they do have their own limit in terms of force and strength, which will never allow the space of Cardano to gain 20-30% in 48 hours without having a fundamental breakout of a specific pattern. So this is not sufficient, guys, as long as you're still into an environment that is toxic for the bulls. Obviously, if you're one of the guys that are shorting, I can say that the downtrending market is bad for you. But at the same time, we as traders, there's no bad markets. It is just basically the bad direction we are deciding to trade, because we can simply make money by shorting as well. So if the market goes down, that's not really an issue at the end of the day. However, we need to make sure we understand the case scenario. So we have 3 lines here. This is the resistance line, this is the support line, and this is the Jolly Joker line, which is the median line in our case scenario that does its job of acting back and forth. And we're looking for seeing if it does the same thing within the upcoming minutes. Probably. We're located right now on 25 cents, and we have our support coming in slightly, around 25 cents, as you can see for Cardano price. At the top, the resistance has been pretty harsh, has been brutal, and where we have been, discovering a strong representation of the resistance for Cardano was exactly at 1.414 Fibonacci retracement horizontal line, along with the trending resistance line of the channel, the green one. So you got your resistance making a double top structure, and that's the beauty, as the patterns are basically playing out together and we see them acting really accurately. Now on the other side, we have the golden pocket here, which acts very nicely as of the time, especially when I turn on the EMAs, and I'll share with you how the algos are working. So there is the short-term support offered by 20 days moving average, which is the red line, and you will be able to see that in so many cases, right? So support being offered by the 20 days moving average, the red line on 15 minutes. But at the end of the day, the major support after all the retracement has been offered by the 200 days EMA, which is the blue line at the bottom, right? So for example, right there as well. The blue line, as soon as we were able to climb above it, generated a strong buying pressure. For example, at the time we have touched it right there, that was pure algo trading, pure bot trading generated by the exchanges in Wales. At the time the 200 days has been touched, the market spikes straight away to the resistance line of the trend, and they have crossed the 1.272 Fibonacci, the green line that is moving around horizontally. So that's the case for the moment for Cardano. It is obviously in a situation where the markets are distributing right here. A lot of you can still accumulate. Now, if BTC and Ethereum is not having their breakout moment, Cardano will not be able to get above the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement point, the blue line right there, and they're not going to be able to do too much out of the whole story. So that's it for the moment. In case of accelerations and powerful movement upwards, it is not the case for the moment. It's clearly we're very close to the 200 days moving average right there. Just take a look in the way gaps are being formed between the price action and the 200 days moving averages at the time we accelerate in a direction. So there's those gaps which I have basically made from the price point and the 200 days. Price point, 200 days, price point, 200 days. There's a long distance. Well, that thing is clearly missing at the time we're talking about the upper side movement, and we need to generate that across at least 24 hours for us to talk about an exhaustion period of the bulls, a overbought situation, like nowhere near to be in such form. Now, once again, folks, for those of you which are interested in improving or creating a sort of an education, would like to participate, and they would like to become traders, if you think that your actions are coming from somewhere, from your thoughts, minds, and skills, and you would like to improve the results, well, feel free to check out in sort of a way. There is a video here explaining. There is also many other things on the page, and you can register now. I'll get back to you with the offer. At the same time, we have the commission trading possibility. Have a beautiful time, folks. Talk to you soon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the comments, hit the like button.